Salesforce just dropped $3.6 billion on an AI customer service platform. But here's the thing. You can get 80% of those capabilities without spending a dime. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed, founder of Digital Dev. Today we're diving into what Salesforce's $3.6 billion acquisition of Fin actually means for your business, and more importantly, what you can do right now without the enterprise budget. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what Fin does, why Salesforce paid that insane amount, and which tools you can implement today to automate your customer support. Let's go. Look, when a company like Salesforce, a $250 billion market cap giant, drops $3.6 billion on an acquisition, it's not random. It's strategic. In June 2024, they acquired Fin, an AI-powered customer service platform, and this move tells us something massive about the future of business. Customer support automation isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's a survival feature. Here's why this matters to you. According to McKinsey, 67% of companies now use AI in their customer service operations. That number's growing faster than TikTok trends. Salesforce saw that trend and realized they needed to own the AI support layer. Customer support costs companies an average of $1.30 per ticket, according to Gartner data. If you're handling 1,000 tickets a month, that's $1,300 going to human labor alone. Multiply that by 12 months, and you're looking at $15,600 annually just for basic support. The acquisition validates what we're seeing in the market. Automated customer service is real, it works, and businesses are willing to pay premium prices for it. But, and this is crucial, you don't have to be Salesforce to access this technology. So what's inside Fin that's worth $3.6 billion? Let's break it down into 3 core capabilities. First, ticket automation. Fin automatically sorts, categorizes, and routes support tickets. Instead of your team manually reading every message, Fin reads it, understands what the customer needs, and either solves it immediately or sends it to the right person. Fin claims it resolves 50% of support tickets without human intervention. That's huge. Second, live chat resolution. Fin's AI engages customers in real-time conversations. It understands context, handles complex questions, and knows when to escalate. According to Fin's own data, their AI handles an average resolution time of under 2 minutes for simple issues. Compare that to human agents who average 6 to 8 minutes per ticket. Third, knowledge integration. Fin connects to your existing knowledge base, CRM, and business systems. It doesn't just give generic responses, it references your specific policies, product information, and customer history. That's what makes it different from a basic chatbot. At Digital Dev, we help businesses implement these exact capabilities, and here's what we've learned. You don't need Fin specifically. You need the system architecture behind it. Let me give you the numbers on what Salesforce's investment really means for your wallet. A Salesforce Fin license runs approximately $2,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on ticket volume and customization. For a mid-sized business with 500 support tickets monthly, you're looking at $24,000 to $60,000 annually. That's real money. But here's where it gets interesting. You can build a 70 to 80% equivalent system using open source and affordable tools. OpenAI API for AI processing, $100-300/month. Make or Zapier for automation, $50-200/month. Intercom or Drift for live chat, $300-500/month. A basic CRM or database, $0 to $100 per month. Total, around $450 to $1,100 per month. That's 90% cheaper than Salesforce Fin. Now, will your DIY version be as polished as Fin? Probably not. Will it require setup and maintenance? Yes. But will it handle 60 to 70% of your customer support automatically? Absolutely. Let me give you specific automations you can implement this week. Automation number 1, ticket categorization. Use OpenAI's API to read incoming support emails and automatically tag them as billing, technical, shipping, etc. This saves your team 5 to 10 hours weekly just sorting mail. Setup time, 2 to 3 hours with Make or Zapier. Automation number 2, instant FAQ responses. If a customer asks, "What's your refund policy?" your AI reads the question, searches your knowledge base, and sends an answer automatically. Tools like Intercom or a custom setup with ChatGPT can handle this. Success rate on FAQ questions, 90% plus. Automation number 3, escalation rules. Set up intelligent escalation. Simple issues go to AI. Complex issues or angry customers, sentiment analysis can detect this, go directly to humans. This ensures your team focuses on what matters. Automation number 4, post-resolution follow-up. After an issue is resolved, automatically send a satisfaction survey, then send a reminder email 3 days later asking if the solution is still working. This prevents repeat tickets and increases customer satisfaction by catching recurring issues early. At Digital Dev, we've implemented these exact workflows for clients, and on average, they see a 40% reduction in manual support tickets within 30 days. Here's what nobody tells you about automation. It's not set and forget. Salesforce can afford to maintain complex AI infrastructure 24/7. You'll need to monitor your system. Expect to spend 3 to 5 hours weekly reviewing automated responses, especially in the first month. Your AI will make mistakes. Customers will complain, but that's part of training the system. After 60 days, you'll see that number drop to 1 to 2 hours weekly. Second, you need quality data. If your customer support history is messy, inconsistent tags, unclear descriptions, incomplete resolutions, your AI will reflect that. Spend a week cleaning your data before you launch. It's boring, but it's the difference between 50% automation success and 80%. Third, start with your most common issues. Don't try to automate everything at once. Identify the top 10 questions your team answers repeatedly. Automate those first. Success builds momentum. Your team sees the value and supports the next phase. Let's connect the dots. Salesforce spent $3.6 billion because they believe customer service automation is the future of business. That's not hype, it's strategy. According to Forrester Research, 64% of customer service leaders say AI is critical to meeting customer expectations in 2025. If you're not automating, you're falling behind. Your competitors are. But the second insight is equally important. You don't need an enterprise budget to compete. You need strategy, the right tools, and patience to implement. A solopreneur with $1,000 and smart automation can now deliver customer service that rivals companies 10x their size. This is the democratization of AI. Salesforce's $3.6 billion validates the business case. Your job is to capitalize on it with the right tools at your scale. All right, here's what I want from you now. First, comment below. What's the biggest pain point in your customer service right now? I read every comment, and your answers help me create content that actually matters. Second, hit subscribe. Next week, we're breaking down how to set up your first AI support agent in 30 minutes. We'll do a live walkthrough with Make and ChatGPT. You don't want to miss that. Third, if you're serious about automating your business but don't know where to start, visit mdigitaldev.com. We help businesses exactly like yours build AI-powered systems without the enterprise price tag. Book a free 15-minute consultation, and we'll map out what automation makes sense for your specific business. Next week, we're breaking down how to build your first AI support agent in 30 minutes. No coding required. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.